Okay, here he goes.
No, I got her. See how heavy. See how heavy it is?
Oh, that ain't bad at all. That fiberglass probably about as heavy as.
It's lighter than a roof rake.
Shit, the general weighs more than that.
Okay, we'll go up. We'll demonstrate. Hold it up, Mike.
Shit, what do you think? The general weighs more than that pole. There he's going up the ladder. All right. Jesus, look at this.
Pulling that down, that heavy.
The Avalanche. Vogel has all the technology.
Yeah.
Are you hanging on tight, Mike?
Yeah.
I don't want to see you on food stamps.
Okay, coming down, Mikey.
Very nice. Very nice. What time are you coming down?
For what?
Ain't you gonna do my roof?
Jesus Christ.
What do you mean, Jesus Christ? I'm not holding the ladder.
Wait,
You know, your roof would be kind of fun to do. But
wait a minute.
that's not.
You got one over here to do next.
God, that snow's going to come through that roof like an avalanche.
When she sees you, she's gonna. As long as you're doing yours, could you do mine?
I'm the neighborhood doer.
You are the door.